Everyone, it's me Luthfia. Today we are going to learn about teaching language construction. The purpose of teaching language construction is to help the student to have more knowledge about language system so that the student can improve their productive and receptive skills. Language system consists of morphology, syntax, pronunciation, spelling, vocabulary. Morphology is the study of words, how they are formed and their relationship to other words in the same language. While syntax is the arrangement of words and phrases in specific order. There are two ways of teaching the language construction. The first is explain and practice, and the second is discover and practice. Let's take a look on explain and practice approach. In this approach, there are two stages, explain and practice. In the explain stage, there are two activities, explaining meaning and explaining the language construction. Explaining meaning can be done in three ways. Demonstrate, use picture, and describe. Demonstrate can be done by giving a demonstration to the student. For example, the student learn about the word swim. So the teacher has to give demonstration about how to swim. Use picture. This can be done by showing a picture to the student and explaining about the picture. Describe. This can be done by describing or defining the words. Explaining language construction. The most common way of explaining language construction is to model sentence or phrases. The second stage is practice. In practice, there are two activities, repetition and drills. You want to know more about repetition, drills, what kind of drills, you can check my previous videos about drills and repetition. The second approach in teaching language construction is discover and practice. When explain and practice approach requires the teacher to explain first and practice, in discover and practice approach, it is flipped. So in here, the students are provided with a text and the example first. The role of the teacher in this approach is to provide the language in order to help them find the rules, to guide them in discovery, and then provide them more opportunity to practice. So that is about teaching language construction. If you have any question or comment, you can drop it in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Goodbye.